Okay, thank you so much, Erica and the Compass Family Services team. We really could not have done this without your support and leadership. And we are so incredibly thrilled to launch One Home, which, as Erica mentioned, is the first Bay Area-wide web and mobile platform that makes it easy for families to find affordable housing all throughout the Bay Area. And we're thrilled to have Compass as our launch partner in this. So thank you. Let's give them a round. My name is Rey Faustino. I'm the CEO and founder of One Degree. Thank you for that. Before we get into the details, I wanted to tell you first about One Degree, the nonprofit organization that I founded about 3 years ago. So I grew up in a working class immigrant family. And when we moved here to the United States in 1990, we didn't know anybody. We struggled to find resources. We struggled to make ends meet. We didn't know who to trust. We didn't know what we were eligible for. And I started One Degree so that families like mine could have something to turn to. And now families use One Degree on an everyday basis to access all sorts of nonprofit and social services throughout the Bay Area, from healthcare to childcare to food banks and much, much more. And we've been helping thousands of families access these services through our web and mobile platform. And over again, we kept seeing that affordable housing was a huge, huge need, which I know for all of us here today is not a surprise because you're here at this event. The great thing was that people kept pointing us to Compass Family Services. They said Compass has these amazing resources, these lists, literally like paper and PDF lists, which are the most reliable and up-to-date listings of affordable housing throughout the Bay Area. The most reliable. And so we knew we had to talk to Compass because they had an answer to this problem. And so over the course of the year, we've been doing our research. We met with the Compass Family team for months and months. And we set out to take these paper lists and to make them available to everybody and bring them really into the 21st century. So just like One Degree is doing for nonprofit and social services, One Home is going to radically improve access to affordable housing. So One Home, just like One Degree and Compass Family Services, One Home was created to help families break the cycle of poverty. And we know that obtaining safe and stable housing is the first step to get people on the path out of poverty. But that path to get housing is incredibly, incredibly difficult to navigate. On average, low-income families apply to 40 different housing properties at a time. Imagine a single mother traveling throughout the Bay Area to pick up 40 different paper applications, sitting down, each of them is about 20 pages long, working without much guidance on these paper applications. And I believe that we can do so much better than this. If we can order a car service on our phones, and if we can find the best pizza place using Yelp on our computers, we have to have a better way for families to find and access affordable housing. You know, paper lists are great and have gotten us to a certain point, but now everybody's using their phones to find information online. So we know also that technology isn't going to solve all of our problems. It's not going to solve the housing crisis, but we believe that it's a critical first step. So we've built the best-in-class technology for marginalized communities to access affordable housing. We're very excited to show you a demo of it tonight. You guys excited? All right. So here it is. Here's One Home. And on One Home, you can start your search by just giving us a little bit of information about you. So you can tell us what area you're looking for housing. You can tell us a little bit about your family size and also your monthly household income. But we're actually just going to take a look at all the listings in the Bay Area. Okay? So now you'll see all the housing properties that meet your criteria and your eligibility requirements. And you'll see them on a beautiful list. You can see the great map that you can visually see all sorts of different properties and the transit lines, in addition to the different types of units that are available and all the properties that you are looking for. You can also filter your results, as you can see, down to the number of bedrooms and all that. And if you want to get more information about a property, you can drill down to get more information. So this is De Anza Gardens. You can see the description, the eligibility requirements, and the numbers. And for many properties, we have the applications available directly on One Home. So you don't have to travel to all sorts of different places. You can download them directly from One Home. Once you're signed in, you can also bookmark your properties. As I mentioned, there are 40 different properties on average, so this is really difficult to manage, so we make it easy for folks to manage. You can also share the information with your friends and family or your clients if you're a nonprofit practitioner via email, text message, and Facebook message. And for those who still want these paper applications, you can download a PDF version and print them out as well. So and we make the eligibility requirements easy for you. And we're excited because One Degree is available in both English and Spanish from the start and accessible on your smartphones, tablets, and computers. And we're going to be releasing other languages in the future as well. So this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning for One Home. And right now, as you can see, we started off with these paper listings, but we've also grown to see there's much more to be done in the realm of affordable housing. So we currently show listings for family rentals throughout the Bay Area, in all the counties of the Bay Area, but we hope to add other types of listings as well, from veterans housing to housing for individuals and short-term stays as well. And we're also building towards this future where applying to affordable housing is as easy as buying a book on Amazon. Think about how much time and energy you would save if there was one common application for multiple properties. People can spend less time shuffling about and working on bureaucracy and more time taking care of their families. In the long term, we're building towards this end-to-end solution for governmental agencies, housing developers, and everyday people who are looking for a safe and stable home. And together, we want to reach the thousands of people throughout the Bay Area who are looking for homes right now. So Compass has already been using One Home on a day-to-day basis to work with their clients and homeless families. But we know that there's so much more that needs to be done to help families, and we think this is an important step. So we're launching the site tonight. You can actually visit it right now if you want to. And we need your help to make it successful. So first, please use One Home. Check it out and give us feedback so we can improve it. You can check it out at onehomebayarea.org. If you want to learn more about how you can make the best of One Home, for example, if you're a nonprofit practitioner at a housing or homeless agency, or if you're looking for housing yourself, feel free to sign up for one of our webinars or workshops, live engagements. And if you want to partner with us to add your information on One Home, let us know about that too. And lastly, if you're a city or county agency, housing agency, partner with us so we can create this better system for residents all throughout the Bay Area. So lastly, I really just wanted to thank Compass Family Services again, everyone from Erica to Stacy, Megan, Teresa, Manuel, and everyone on the whole team that I've probably missed for all of your work and leadership and partnership on One Home. And we also want to thank the Twitter Neighbor Nest for giving us office space as well as hosting our One Home trainings. And we are incredibly, incredibly excited to be helping and scaling this up to thousands of families all throughout the Bay Area who are looking for affordable housing. And I hope that you all will join us in partnership. Thank you.